Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing something super yummy, an ice cream cone with a big pink bow. Grab your paper and your favorite pencil and let's get cozy. First, the ice cream scoop. Way up top, draw a big round puffy dome. Nice and slow, like a big fluffy cloud sitting in the sky. Now give your scoop a bumpy bottom. Draw little bumps all the way across, like drips of melty ice cream. Bump, bump, bump. Your turn. Finish your scoop nice and slow. Take your time, I'll wait for you. Time for the cone. Right under the scoop, draw the top of the cone. 2 little shoulders peeking out on each side. Now draw 2 long lines that slide down, down, down and meet in a point at the bottom. That's our cone. Your turn. Draw your cone all the way down to the point. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Let's make it a waffle cone. Draw slanted lines across the top of the cone, some lines going this way and some going that way. Keep crossing your lines all the way down to the tip. Look at that! Now it looks just like a real waffle cone. Your turn. Fill your whole cone with waffle lines. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Time for something extra cute, a big pretty bow. Start with a loop on the left side, round and proud like a butterfly wing. Now a loop on the right, a little round middle, and 2 ribbon tails hanging down. So fancy! Your turn. Finish your beautiful bow. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Wow, look what we have so far. A fluffy scoop, a crunchy waffle cone, and a fancy bow. You're doing amazing. Time for sprinkles. Draw tiny little dashes on the scoop, a few this way, a few that way. More sprinkles. Sprinkles, sprinkles everywhere. Don't they look yummy? And now, our favorite part. Right in the middle of the bow, hide a tiny heart. Shh! It's our secret. Coloring time! Let's start with the scoop. I'm choosing soft pink like strawberry ice cream. Color it in gently round and round. Next, the bow. I'm using a deeper pink so it pops. Pretty bows deserve a pretty color. Now the waffle cone. Warm tan like a toasty golden waffle. Color each little square one by one. And the sprinkles stay snowy white so they sparkle on the pink. You can use any colors you like. Your ice cream, your rules. Wow, look at that! Your ice cream cone looks amazing. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video, or send us an email and we'll send you some sample pages. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.